Hello student, welcome you all in my YouTube channel and today good morning students, myself तृप्ति दीक्षित और मैं आपको मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस मेटल नॉन मेटल्स के करा रही हूँ रिवीजन में। तो लेट्स बी स्टार्ट फॉर द मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द मेटल दैट इज लिक्विड एट रूम टेम्परेचर इज द metal which is liquid at room temperature is mercury. So the right answer is mercury. The best malleable metal is silver. Silver is the best malleable metal. The metal which is placed under kerosene oil, sodium, lithium, potassium are the metals which are placed under kerosene oil. So right answer is sodium. Metal that forms an amphoteric oxide is aluminium. Aluminium and zinc are those metals that forms an amphoteric oxide. The most ductile metal is silver. Metal that reacts with steam only. पोटेशियम नॉर्मल वाटर से रिएक्शन करता है, कॉपर वाटर की किसी फॉर्म से रिएक्शन नहीं करता, मैग्नीशियम स्टीम से भी रिएक्शन करता है और कोल्ड हॉट वाटर से रिएक्शन करता है, लेकिन आयरन सिर्फ स्टीम से रिएक्शन करता है। तो राइट आंसर इज आयरन। मेटल दैट रिएक्ट्स विथ हॉट वाटर इज मैग्नीशियम. Metal that reacts violently with cold water is KNaLi. These are the metals which reacts violently with cold water. Metal that does not react with water, copper. The ability of metal to change into sheets on hammering is called malleability. Metals are drawn into wires due to property of ductility. Next question. Metals produce sound striking a hard surface because they are sonorous. The correct reactivity order is NaMgAgAu. The right order is NaMgAgAu. Electronic configuration of K 192881. The process of extracting a metal from its ore is called metallurgy. The process of removing unwanted impurities is called basimerization. Naturally occurring metals containing material is called minerals. The compound from which metal is extracted economically is ore. That is ore. Next, the unwanted substance present with ore are called. वो unwanted substance जो ore के साथ present रहता है, gangue. The process to heat the ore in the presence of excess supply of air is called roasting. The process to heat the ore in the limited or no supply of air is called the process of to heat the ore in the limited or no supply of air is called calcination. Non-metals are non-conductor of heat and electricity, brittle, having a tendency to gain electrons. तो all of the above ये सारी properties non-metals में होती हैं. Next है the non-metal which is liquid at room temperature is bromine. The non-metal which is good conductor of electricity is graphite. The number of electrons in the outermost shell of metal is 1, 2, 3, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Electrolytic reduction is used to obtain metals which are near the top of the reactivity series. Reactivity series में जो top most metals होते हैं उनमें इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक रिडक्शन कराते हैं. ब्रास इज एन एलॉय ऑफ. ब्रास किसका एलॉय है? कॉपर और जिंक का. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ब्रॉन्ज इज एन एलॉय ऑफ कॉपर एंड टिन. सोल्डर इज एन एलॉय ऑफ लेड एंड टिन. एन एलॉय हैविंग वन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट मर्करी इज एमलगम. सम NCERT exemplar problems. Which of the following properties generally not shown by metals? Dullness. The ability of metal to be drawn into thin wires is known as ductility. Aluminium is used for making utensils. Which of the following properties of aluminium are responsible for the same? तो इसमें कौन कौन से होंगे? एल्यूमिनियम का यूज़ कुकिंग यूटेंसिल्स के लिए करते हैं. Which of the following properties of aluminium are responsible for the same? Good thermal conductivity, good electrical conductivity, ductility, high melting point. तो इसमें कौन सा होगा? गुड थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी और गुड इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिविटी. फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड. नेक्स्ट, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मेटल्स डू नॉट रिएक्ट विथ कोल्ड एज वेल एज हॉट वाटर? Fe, because Fe reacts with steam. Next question. Which of the following oxide of iron would be obtained on prolonged reaction of iron with steam Fe3O4? What happens when calcium is treated with water? When calcium is treated with water, it reacts less violently with water and bubbles of hydrogen gas formed stick to the surface of calcium. Next question. Generally, metal react with acid to give salt and hydrogen gas. Which of the following acid does not give hydrogen gas on reacting with metal except Mn and Mg HNO3? The composition of aqua regia is concentrate HCl 3 part and concentrate HNO3 1 part. Next question. Which of the following are not ionic compounds? इनमें से आयनिक कंपाउंड कौन सा नहीं है? CCl4 and HCl. These are not ionic compounds. Which one of the following properties is not generally exhibited by ionic compounds? Electrical conductivity in solid state. Next question. Which of the following metal exist in their native state in nature? Copper and Ag. First, Au and Ag. These are the exist in their native state. Metals are refined by using different methods. Which of the following metals are refined by electrolytic refining? Electrolytic refining में Na and K. Silver articles become black on prolonged exposure to air. This is due to the formation of Ag2S, silver sulfide. Galvanization is a method of protecting iron from rusting by coating with a thin layer of zinc. Stainless steel is very useful material for our life. In stainless steel, iron is mixed with nickel and chromium. If copper is kept open in air, it slowly loses its shining brown surface and gains a green coating. It is due to the formation of copper oxide. Generally, metals are solid in nature. Which one of the following metal is found in liquid state of room temperature? Hg, mercury. Which of the following metals are obtained by electrolysis of their chlorides in molten state? Molten state में ये आएंगे हमारे Na and Ca. This is the right answer. Next question. Generally, non-metals are not lustrous. Which of the following non-metal is lustrous? Iodine. Which one of the following four metals would be displaced from solution of its salts by other three metals? Copper. 2 ml each of concentrated HCl, HNO3 and a mixture of concentrated HCl and concentrated HNO3 in the ratio of 3:1 were taken in test tube labeled as A, B and C. A small piece of metal was put in each test tube. No change occurred in test tube A and B, but the metal got dissolved in test tube C respectively. The metal could be Au. An alloy is homogeneous mixture. An electrolytic cell consists of, इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक सेल में क्या क्या होता है? पॉजिटिवली चार्ज एनोड, नेगेटिवली चार्ज कैथोड. ड्यूरिंग इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक रिफाइनिंग ऑफ जिंक, it gets deposited on cathode. An element A is soft and can be cut with knife. This is very reactive to air and cannot be kept open in air. It reacts vigorously with water. Identify the element from the following. Na. Na is the right answer. Na, K and Li. Vigorously react with water. So and cut with knife. So the right answer is Na. Alloys are homogeneous mixture of metal with a metal or non-metal. Which among the following alloys contain non-metal as one of its constituent? It is steel. क्योंकि बाकी में सारे में मेटल है. स्टील में कार्बन एज ए नॉन-मेटल आयरन के साथ किया जाता है एलॉय. Which among the following statements is incorrect for the magnesium metal? It reacts with cold water to form magnesium oxide and evolve hydrogen gas is the incorrect statement. Next question. Which among the following alloy contain mercury as one of its constituent? It is zinc amalgam. Reaction between X and Y forms compound Z. X lose electron and Y gain electron. इट मीन्स एक्स और वाई के बीच में आयनिक कंपाउंड बनेगा। ठीक है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रॉपर्टी इज़ नॉट शोन बाई जेड। अब आपको बताना है इनमें से आयनिक कंपाउंड की प्रॉपर्टी कौन सी नहीं है। आयनिक कंपाउंड का मेल्टिंग पॉइंट हाई होता है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मोल्टन स्टेट में करते हैं, कंडक्ट अकर सॉलिड स्टेट में होते हैं, हैज़ लो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट इज द डज नॉट सपोर्ट द प्रॉपर्टी। द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिग्रेशन ऑफ 3 एलिमेंट एक्स वाई एंड जेड आर x2 28 y287 and z282। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज करेक्ट। एक्स इज मेटल, नहीं, क्योंकि इसके लास्ट शेल में 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन है। वाई इज मेटल, वाई के लास्ट शेल में 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन है। जेड इज ए नॉन मेटल, जेड के लास्ट में 2 है। वाई नॉन मेटल है, जेड मेटल है, तो राइट आंसर है वाई इज नॉन मेटल एंड जेड इज मेटल। ऑल्दो मेटल फॉर्म बेसिक ऑक्साइड, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मेटल्स form an amphoteric oxide, aluminium। Generally non-metals are non-conductor of electricity, which of the following is a good conductor of electricity, graphite। And last is electrical wires has a coating of an insulating material, the material generally used is PVC polyvinyl chloride। ये सम काइंड ऑफ प्लास्टिक है जिसका यूज़ हम करते हैं इलेक्ट्रिकल वायर्स के ऊपर कोटिंग करने में ताकि शॉक प्रूफ रहे। तो ये कुछ आपके एडिशनल MCQs थे मेटल नॉन मेटल के, इनको आप बार बार रिवाइज़ करेंगे और कल के पेपर की आप तैयारी करेंगे। थैंक यू।